Imagine cruising across endless highways in one of the most futuristic luxury motorhomes ever designed. This massive rolling mansion combines the power of a heavy-duty performance truck with the comfort of a five-star luxury hotel. From the moment you see its aerodynamic front design, giant panoramic windshield, and multi-axle setup, you instantly understand that this is not an ordinary RV. This is a statement of luxury, engineering, and ultimate road trip freedom. The exterior design looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The bronze metallic paint with flowing black graphics gives it an elegant yet aggressive personality. Its stretched body and multiple rear axles are not just for looks. They provide extra stability, improved weight distribution, and smoother highway performance, especially during long-distance travel. The aerodynamic curves also help reduce wind resistance, making this giant vehicle surprisingly efficient for its size. Under the hood, this luxury motorhome is expected to feature a powerful diesel engine producing between 600 and 700 horsepower. With massive torque delivery, the vehicle can easily handle steep mountain roads, heavy cargo loads, and long highway journeys without struggling. The advanced suspension system keeps the ride smooth even on rough roads, while air suspension technology minimizes vibrations inside the cabin. Despite its enormous size, the steering feels stable and controlled thanks to modern driver assistance and intelligent handling technology. Performance is where this motorhome truly surprises people. Most RVs focus only on comfort, but this machine delivers both comfort and serious road presence. Highway cruising feels effortless, and the acceleration is much smoother than expected for a vehicle this large. The braking system is upgraded with heavy-duty components to ensure safe stopping power, even at high speeds or during downhill driving. Multiple camera systems, lane assistance, adaptive cruise control, and collision monitoring also improve safety and driving confidence. Now let's step inside, because this is where the experience becomes truly unbelievable. The interior feels more like a luxury penthouse apartment than a motorhome. Premium leather seating, ambient LED lighting, marble-style flooring, and custom wood finishes create a rich and futuristic atmosphere. The living area is spacious enough for full-time luxury travel, featuring reclining sofas, large smart TVs, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light.